In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your first app using Power Apps with the help of Copilot or from scratch. To get started, sign into your Microsoft Power Apps account using your work or school login. Once you're in, you'll land on the home dashboard, which is where you can create, manage, and edit apps. If this is your first time using Power Apps, take a moment to look around so you feel comfortable with the main layout before you begin building. Next, decide how you want to start your app. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Copilot chat box, which is a great option if you want help generating an app through simple text prompts. Below that, you'll also find blank canvas options if you prefer to build everything yourself from the ground up. Both methods can work well, so the best choice depends on how much guidance you want during the setup process. If you choose Copilot, type a clear description of what you want the app to do. For example, you might want an app that tracks project tasks or helps manage inventory. Based on your description, Power Apps can automatically create a data table and a basic screen layout for you. This can save time and give you a strong starting point, especially if you're new to app building. If you decide to start from scratch instead, select a blank canvas layout that fits your needs. After that, connect your app to an external data source such as Excel, SharePoint, or Dataverse. This step is important because your app needs data in order to display, collect, or update information. Once your app structure is in place, use the drag and drop visual designer to add interface elements to your screens. You can insert things like buttons, text boxes, and galleries, then move them around until the screen is organized in a way that makes sense for users. Try to keep the layout simple and easy to navigate. After that, customize the look and feel of your app. You can change colors, adjust fonts, and define button actions using the formula bar at the top of the screen. This is where you make your app both functional and visually polished. When you're ready, click the play button in the top right corner to preview the app and test its features. This helps you confirm that everything works correctly before sharing it with others. Finally, save your work and click publish so your team can start using the app right away. Thank you for watching this guide on building your first app with Power Apps, and be sure to check out our channel for more helpful tutorials.